was just about to switch this out, and I realized I haven't filmed in a long time, and I love this setup so much, and I only did it like the last week of April. I actually wanted to do this in the December TN, and I can't find it anywhere. So I went ahead and did it in the January TN. And look at these amazing bookmarks that came in the kit. I love it. So I love this. I think this was February of TPS, the Planner Society kit. And look at that pearl gray. And I just loved it. And one of the things that makes me sad putting them away is look at those pictures of my babies. They're so adorable. So I put together my own planner. I use my printable passion planner, I'm sorry. And so you'll see the first few weeks I did not get done in April because it was so hectic. I started that week, and then this was the last week of April. Look how pretty this kit is. So springy. Oh, would have been so perfect to do for to have all of April. I'm sad I missed it. Look at that. So pretty. So I love this kit. This is all gorgeous stickers. This is where I stick my sticky notes in the back. And this is something I made out of a bag. It's actually a pocket. So there's a bookmark in that pocket. And these are, I use this to make the pockets here to hold the kit. Look at that. So cute, another bookmark. This is my daily. I try to write good things down there. Then I made this neat little, there's just little pockets throughout. My Fox and Pip Annie Plans collab. And there's the back there. Super simple, everyday carry. I love it. Now I'm on to doing May's. I'm excited for that.